appeared roughly 3.
Beast. Okay, actually number 2 is dependent on number 1.
Yeah, it looks like. So the Earth is about 4.6 billion years old, and it's saying that life showed up 3.5 billion years ago. So that's. Oh, hold on. Do some math here.
So like 1.1 billion.
3.5 divided by 4.5. It's like 25% of Earth's history, I think, had passed. So
Sorry.
you're good.
All right, so 25% of Earth, based on your answer to question 1, what percent of Earth's history was free of life?
Yeah, so the first 25%.
Oh, so is number 2 just 25% again then?
Was free of life. Passed before earliest life appeared. Was,
of
I think that's the same answer.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing, just phrased differently.
Yeah.
I'll just.
The percent goes after that one, Daniel.
Yeah.
You're good. Let's see here. Do you want it to be formatted with red?
That's usually what I do, just so it's folds out.
Okay. That's good to me. Red. Where's red? Percent.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late.
Hey.
Are you guys able to hear me?
I can
Yeah, we
hear.
can hear you.
Okay, for some reason I couldn't hear you guys for a while, but I finally figured it out.
Okay.
So the link to the Google Docs inside the chat. We're just going through the questions and working on them simultaneously, kind of.
Let's see here. So, let's see. If you take 405 billion, so that's 1 million.
Sorry I'm late, guys, but I'm here.
My calculator is even higher than that. This just feels like a bunch of math.
4.
Wow, there's a lot of questions today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Divided by 540.
Billion years. Doesn't even fit on my calculator.
That means that for number 4, I think if I got my math right, that's the time between 540 million years ago to now is 8.3% of our Earth's total history.
Where's hard?
I think. Hold on.
Evidence was preserved. Oh, so like from the beginning of the Earth to the time to 540 is 8%.
8.3, I think. Let me double check that.
Will somebody tell me how you're figuring out the percent?
You just divide the numbers by each other because we know Earth is 4.6 billion years old. And then you just take that and divide it by the other numbers.
Okay.
Divided by 46000. Or hold on.
I got 8.5.
You got to do it divided by 4.6 billion, not 4.5. And I just divided it to get the percentage. And so I think, actually, I don't know. I think 8 would be more right because a billion is a lot, but I divided 55,540 million by
Mhm.
4.6 billion, and it gave me 11%.
Oh, you did 5. Oh, let me try that.
Yeah, because I think that's how you find out like your score in a test is you divide your score by the.
By the total. Yeah. It's the Earth is 4.6 billion.
Mhm.
All right. Oh, 11%. I see. Yeah, I think that's correct. That looks that makes more sense.
So that means that. Hold on. That means that 89%.
65.
Okay, let me make sure I did this right. So I did number 5. So I took 4.6 billion, subtracted 66 million. Then that number I divided by 4.6 million.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Sounds right? Okay.
Yeah. Because I remember, I think you guys have probably heard something similar, but if like you pretend it's like the hands on a clock in a 24-hour period or 12-hour period, like all the exciting stuff happened like within the last like 5 minutes of Earth's time.
Yeah.
Has occurred.
4,500,000,000. Wait. Percent has occurred since.
2%. Yeah.
Two, 4.
Okay. Refer to the geologic timescale on figure 8.24 of your textbook. The dinosaurs existed during the Mesozoic era. For what percentage of Earth's history did the dinosaurs exist? Let's see if
I'm
Google
looking
can
at-
just be our friend here.
I'm looking up at the
Where's 8.24?
My Google is saying dinosaurs were around for 3.68.
Refer to the dinosaurs during the Mesozoic. Dinosaurs exist.
8.24.
Do you see that on? I don't see a figure 8.24.
I'm looking.
I seen a figure 8.2.
True. What the?
Wait, for number 7?
Yeah, number 7.
Oh, is that what the textbook is saying?
Yeah, they're just a 8.2.
There's no,
Oh.
yeah, there's no figure 8.24.
Are we in the wrong chapter? Because this definitely is not about dinosaurs.
No, but this
Yep.
is the
Chap-
chapter that we read this week.
About
This chapter
data.
8, I think that we want to be looking in.
I know that's what we're in, but I don't see an 8.24.
Oh,
Oh, wait. Here's 8.23. So maybe I'm getting closer. Hold on.
yeah, let's just
8.24. I found it. Okay. Now I need to look at that question one more time. What does it say?
what the dinosaurs existed during the Mesozoic era. For what percentage of Earth's history did dinosaurs exist? So it'll probably ask us, that figure will probably tell us how long dinosaurs were on the Earth. And we'll have to figure out the percentage from that.
So all that the figure shows is the era and like years, approximate age in millions of years before present.
So
And then give an approximate amount of years for the dinosaurs.
Can I share my screen? Because this figure is a little bit confusing to me.
yeah,
Hold on.
No, you can't.
let me give you. Okay, try now.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay, let me go to it. Okay, can you see that?
Yeah,
This is the figure. So this is the Mesozoic era, but do you see how it's like? So all it says is approximate
So,
age in millions of years
I
before
think
present.
that means from 252 million to 66 million years.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
So I don't really know.
So we would take 186 million years and divide it by the total, or the Earth. Yeah, divide it by the total life of the Earth. I think
How many years is that?
186.
Wait,
One,
why that
eight,
number?
Six.
You're doing from 66 to 252.
Oh,
So we're
you
just taking that chunk out of the Earth's timeline.
okay.
Mine is saying 4-ish%.
4%. Okay.
Okay, just go for it because I can't figure it.
My
I'm like,
my Google search said something about the same. Let's do about 4.
cool.
This is a math class now.
I know, literally.
Dude, you know what's
Right.
super nice? Did you guys see how the grades changed on all those?
Yeah.
Oh
that
my
was
gosh.
really
Yes.
nice.
That came in clutch.
I was.
That-
See, what did they change to?
If you attempted it, you got full credit.
She changed our like
Oh, wait.
assignments, which just gives me hope because before half the time I was like, if I didn't have any time, I was like, I'm not even touching that because it's worthless for
I
me to
wish I
get.
had touched. I wish there was a couple I didn't even start. I wish I did.
I know, me
Just like
too. Because I was like,
started it.
I just saw them and I was like, 3 hours. Like, I don't have 3 hours this week to spend on that. So I just didn't even like touch it because I was like, it's so pointless. Because even like when I spend an hour, I wouldn't even get like half the concepts half the time. And so then I'm like, it would be like less than half, which isn't even like 2 points. It was like 0.48 of a point.
So did this
Yeah.
week's change too?
Yeah. So from here on out, as long as you're reading, there's an announcement. You should go read the announcement. It's like,
I read the announcement, but that's all we have to do is read.
well,
Basically.
read, answer a few questions, and then it should change to where there's only like 20 or 30 questions.
Oh, that's so nice. Let's go.
Yeah. And I was like, oh, now I actually have motivation to actually try do that assignment, you know? Whereas
Yeah.
before I was just like, that is so hopeless. Like, I'm not going to spend 10 hours on 2 assignments for this class. Anyway.
Guys, I am going in to sit down at dinner, so I'm probably going to have to pop off. But
You're good.
if you guys need anything from Disneyland, let me know. I got you.
Yeah.
I want one of those bouquets of Mickey Mouse suckers.
Deal. All right, guys. See ya.
Yeah.
See you, man.
Someone might want to math check me on number 8, but I think it's 0.001%.
No, I think that's right.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. Idaho became state in 1980 or 1890. If the average generation interval of a family is 30 years, how many generations of humans have come and gone in 100 years? So that's just dividing
30 by
Generation.
100?
30 by 100, I think.
Yeah, like 3.2 or something.
30 divided by 100. 0.3. Wait,
Wait, no, that's good.
no, it's 100 divided by 3.
Yeah, 33.33.
That's 33 generations. Wait,
Wait, no, that's
that right?
totally not right. That's
that's not right. 3.3, right?
100 divided by
Because 3 generations. would take
3.3.
90
Yeah,
years.
yeah, that's right.
Man, we are so smart. how many generations of humans have come and gone in total since Idaho became a state? So that's in 1890. So it's been 132 years. So 4.02 or something like that.
Wait, 02. Don't you
know, I
take 132 divided by 30?
Yeah.
It's 4.4.
Man, 1300.
Okay. How many anthropologists believe the humans? How
think
many
that's
generations
400.
of humans have come and gone since? Yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna double check your math here.
Yeah.
So 13,000 divided by 30. Yeah, no, you're right.
Sweet.
Okay. The Yellowstone caldera catastrophe. I was actually up at Yellowstone a couple weeks ago.
You
Oh,
were?
nice. Was it cold?
It was like right before it got cold, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was so pretty and like warm outside. It was incredible. I really wish I brought my fly rod with me.
Do they have fall foliage up there?
Yeah, no, all the fall colors were out.
Oh, that's nice.
It was, got to see a buffalo, got to see Old Faithful erupt, so that was fun.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay. 640,000 years ago, covered much of North America in ash. If such an eruption called today, millions would instantly perish due to the eruption. Would perish due to the ash cloud afterwards. How many generations of humans could theoretically come and gone during the time frame that occurred since that catastrophic? I think you're right there.
Right? So I just took, because it said the eruption was 640,000 years ago. So I just took that number divided by 30.
Yep, that's right. Okay, recall when our earliest human ancestors appeared, assuming the average generation interview has been 30 years. How many generations theoretically come since the appearance of our human ancestors? How long ago did our first human ancestors come around?
5 million is what the question
That's
up
right.
top said.
That's right.
I think it's this. 16,666.
It's the devil's number, but sure.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh, no,
next
wait.
one.
I got something different.
What did you get?
Hold on. Wait a second.
I divided 5 million by 30. Oh wait, I got 166. I need another one in there. There we go.
1,000. And then multiply that by 3.32. Oh, wait, 16,600.
What the freak, dude? This is straight up math. Number 16 is like super funny.
Divide that by, how many centimeters are in a meter? 1,000?
Centimeter.
16.6
Yeah, that sounds
meters.
right. Oh wait, 1 meter is 100 centimeters.
Well, we will do this.
There we go.
Boom.
Now they want it in feet.
You want it in feet?
Yeah, it's 166.
Oh my gosh. So take that. 166.6 divided by 3.3 is 50.48.
Then,
Using the height of one member, oh my gosh.
yeah, I was like gonna try to move on, but
Okay, using the height, how many of that group member would need to stack on top of each other to equal the thickness of that sediment?
is anybody like 6 feet even?
I'm 6'2", but we can say I'm 6 foot just for the
There
purposes
we
of
go.
this.
Okay.
I'm willing to pretend I'm not as tall as I am. Just put my name.
Well, I don't even know who's talking. Okay, what's your name?
Oh, that's fair. It's yeah, Caleb.
Caleb with a K or a C?
Caleb with a K.
Okay.
I don't know
See,
what
that's
happened to Caleb with a C.
Yeah, he kind of
Okay.
just disappeared.
oh really?
Yeah.
Using a Caleb. Oh, okay,
Okay.
who's 6 feet tall. How many of that group member we would need? Let's see, 50 points divided by 6. 8.41 of him. There.
Okay, so let's see here. What it's asking here is of our 166.6 meters, how many millions of years would it take if we're moving at 25 meters per year? So
My brain can't do math. I don't want to do math.
divided by 25, 6.6 million years.
Oops, where am I? If anyone wants to check my math on number 19, I did the rate that they're talking about is 3.32 centimeters per 1,000 years. So I did 6.4 million divided by 1,000. And then that was like 600, 4,000. That was 6,400. And then I times that by the 3.32. Oh, wait, no, my math is wrong. 3.3.
Wait.
Yeah, you did that wrong.
21,248. Does that sound more correct?
It's divided by multiplied by 3.3. It's 21,120,000 centimeters.
Ooh, I was off.
Okay, you had your formula right.
Wait, I'm still confused on how you did that one.
Okay, so what we do, we take 4.6 billion years
Right.
and
Oh, you have to
we
divide it
go
by
back up.
1,000.
Yeah, we divide that by 1,000 because every 1,000 years is 3.32 centimeters. So using that comes out to, I don't remember, I can't see my work on this, but that comes, I think, out to like 6,400,000 or something like that. And then you multiply that by 3.3.
3.3?
3.32, I guess, technically is what I should have done. But I think she'll forgive us.
I still get like 15 million. So am I doing it wrong? Yeah.
Okay, so take 4.6 billion.
I did.
Okay, divide by 1,000.
I did.
Okay, what did you end up with?
4,600,000.
Are you sure you're doing billion?
Yeah, wait. Hold on.
That's going to be
Divided by 1,000. Yeah.
divided by 1,000. Oh yeah, 46 million. Yeah, and then you multiply that by 3.3.
It's 50.
Oh, you're right. I came out with a different number that time. It's 15 million.
Yeah,
Okay. Well, we did a double check and thank you.
I was gonna say, I was like, I'm doing that. and It's wrong.
No, you're crazy. You're just
Don't,
crazy.
don't you call me crazy.
I'm not gaslighting you.
Yeah, you are. My
You're
husband
making-
does it all the time.
You're making it up. I'm not gaslighting you at all.
Don't call me crazy. No, okay. Now we have to do that into
uh,
the erase.
okay. So now we need to take that 15 million, divide that by, by 100. That's 151,800. 151. Then that's divided by 25 would give us 6,702. Is that giving us a billion then, or?
So we have meters, and the erosion rate is 25 meters for every million years.
Yeah, that's the answer that I got.
Me too, but so that must be million years.
Does that mean billion?
Yeah, 6.072 would be billion. Or maybe it's yeah.
I mean, I think that's right.
I think so. That's what I got. So
We'll just trust it. If we get it wrong, it's okay. Okay, two students discussing extreme news events. Dying left and right. Something weird is occurring within our planet to cause all these bad things to happen now. Earth does not have it in for us. Our planet has been changing for billions of years now, so disaster has always been a threat. Humans are relative newcomers. Okay, do you want me to get a little bit theoretical here with the religion?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, this is what you put in your geo journal?
Something like that.
Dude, I read this book called
Is it called Journey Through the Veil by John Pontius?
no, this one was The Inevitable Apostasy by some 70, that was name. He's released now. But he claims, it's not doctrine, but he claims that when Adam and Eve took of the fruit, the earth literally fell out of orbit out of Kolob and drifted to our sun.
Whoa.
Like it literally fell.
Dude, that's wild. So this book that I got this thing out of, the dude, and the dude had like visions, right? Like lots of like visions, because he died like a few times in his life and came back and stuff. But one of his visions he had was that this is just a wacky one, but was that there's a giant underground lake underneath the Utah Valley. And that like basically everything south from like Draper down all the way to Payson, like all of Happy Valley will one day collapse and fall into this lake, and like there will just be this massive lake there in the millennium.
What?
There's some really spiritual stuff in there, and then there's some stuff that I'm just kind of like taking with a grain of salt.
It's interesting. Caleb, what's your last name?
Hill, Hill.
Okay, sweet. Oh yeah, I don't know. Did you guys get did you see the teacher's comment saying that the assignment from last week was blank?
No.
Yeah, I
Okay,
saw that. I don't have the document though.
I resubmitted it to her and she said she'll grade it.
Oh, okay.
I like sent her like an unsaved blank copy or something originally.
Oh,
She's got the real one now. Nice. All right,
cool,
this didn't
cool,
take as long
cool.
as I thought. Cool. All right, then we are all good. Does 22 look okay to you guys?
Looks great.
Dope.
Alrighty.
Nice.
Well, we knocked that out in about 30 minutes.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
No, I actually wouldn't mind doing more like this because a lot of questions, but it like went quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right,
Same.
I can go ahead and submit it right now.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right, guys. Cool beans. Good seeing you again.
Here's next week.
See ya.
Yeah. Peace out.